I love e.l.f.'s Cream Glide lip liners. They go on so nicely, very easy to use. I find they stay on longer than a lot of lip liners. And I love this color in particular. This is the Truth or Bear, and this one allows me to overline my lips just a little bit and have it still look really quite natural, which is what I'm going for. Let me show you. Now I have it just on this half, and it makes my lips look quite fuller. And right now it's still a little obvious because you can see the liner just slightly since I haven't added any lipstick or lip gloss. But I think the difference it makes is impressive. It just adds a little more oomph to my lips without it being obvious. Let me do the other side for you. Now I could go bigger than this, but I really like where it's at right now. It just gives my lips a little more with the ease of a pencil. So definitely get yourself this lip liner. No matter what color you put on top, it's just a way to make your lips look naturally extended. It's a great way to even it out, and it's a great way to give you that border. Really, really great. And for my skin, I specifically love the Truth or Bear color.